Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I created the smoky wing and I have been using my favorite Makeup Geek eyeshadows. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. I have already primed my eyes with concealer and translucent powder, and I have put translucent powder under my eye to catch any fallout. I am taking the color Beaches and Cream on a Sigma E40 brush and I am buffing it into my crease. I am going in with another layer of this shadow until it has the intensity I want. Next I am taking the color Creme Brulee on the same brush and I am blending it into my crease to deepen it up a little bit more. Now I'm taking the Morphe M433 brush. It's a fluffy blending brush and I'm taking the color Latte on it. I'm tapping the color onto my outer corner and start blending it out. Now I'm taking the Sigma E34 brush with the color Dark Roast. I am patting it onto the outer corner and then start with small circular motions to blend it out. Now I'm taking the color Latte again on the Morphe brush we used before and I'm blending over the edges. Now I'm taking the color Corrupt, it's a matte black shadow, and I'm taking it on an angled liner brush. Now I'm starting to press the color onto my upper lash line and I'm trying to stay as close to the lash line as I can. Now I'm drawing a little wing and I'm connecting it to the line on my upper lash line. Now I'm taking a Sigma E36 brush with the color Aphrodite on it. Now I am blending over the wing. I am starting at the outer corner and then I am bringing the color further in, about halfway of the lid. For deepening up my outer corner a bit more, I am taking the color Dark Roast and Aphrodite on the same detailed blending brush and I am blending it on my outer corner. Now I'm taking the color Latte again on the Morphe brush we used before and I'm blending over the edges. Now I'm taking a powder brush and I'm brushing away the translucent powder that's under my eye. Now I'm taking the color Latte on my Sigma E30 blending brush and I am blending the color onto my lower lash line. Then I'm going in with the color Creme Brulee to smoke the color out. To deepen up my outer corner, I'm taking the color Dark Roast on the same pencil brush and I am blending it just on the outer corner. Now I'm putting on some mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Now I'm taking the color White Lies on the Morphe M213 brush. I'm brightening up my inner corner and my brow bone with it. Now this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please hit the like button and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.